Okay, so 9th standard students, a very good morning and warm welcome to the online session of Jaycees High School, Vijayapura. Okay, so we are now going through the second part of geography and we are in the chapter 9, that is the major tourist places or tourist centers of Karnataka. As of now, what we have done the introduction part, and then we have done the hill station, what are the hill stations in Karnataka and the waterfalls in Karnataka. So today first we will go with the wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, what is this wildlife sanctuaries? Wildlife, you all know, there's the animals which are there in the forest. Okay, there. But sanctuaries, what is this sanctuary? Sanctuary is to protect that forest and that animals. Government takes some steps or takes some programs or they create some organizations so that it can take care of them. Nobody should harm those wild animals and the forest also. Okay, so what is this? We will go through it. Karnataka has a dense forest. Karnataka has several forests. Okay, in order to protect forest and wildlife, in order to protect the forest and the wildlife, the government of Karnataka has established a number of sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, national park, tiger project and biosphere reserve area. Okay, so for the development of the tourism also, because these are the places where people also can go and they can visit that places. About to that, the main aim of doing these sanctuaries are to give protection to the forest as well as those animals. Okay, there are 5 national parks in Karnataka. National parks are different from a zoo. Zoo, we all know, where the wild animals are there, but they are kept closed in a cage. But here it is not like that. In a place they are independent. Okay, protections are there. It's not that we can go and we can meet with this one tiger. Okay, there are safaris. They have created safaris for that. In Bangalore, if you go for Bannerghatta Biological Park, okay, you can enjoy and you can see all these wild animals who are there independently. No cage and all is there. Okay. So there are 5 national parks in Karnataka. They are Rajiv Gandhi National Park in Nagarhole, Bandipur, okay, Bannerghatta, Kudremukh and Ansi National Park. These are the 5 national parks being developed by the government of Karnataka for the development of the tourism as well as to protect the animals and the forest. The area which is specially protected, to preserve its natural beauty. Okay, if we don't take care of the trees, what will happen? Sometimes the fire may come, which is a big disaster. Okay, and to take care of those trees also, nobody should come and cut the trees and they will sell it for their livelihood. Okay, so these are the things being protected. The area which is specially protected to preserve its natural beauty, wildlife and forest for public recreation and scientific interest is called national park. So national park is that place which is being protected, which is made to give protection for the forest as well as the animals, wild animals, and this is made for the recreation of the people and for the this one scientific interest. Okay, several trees are there, maybe some trees are there who are having some medicinal value. Okay, so these type of things are getting done. For the conservation of wildlife in their natural habitat, 18 wildlife sanctuaries has been identified. Okay, 18 wildlife sanctuaries are there in Karnataka for the conservation of wildlife in their natural habitat. Natural habitat means, see, we are now in natural habitat. If we do a crime, what we do, what the government will do, they will put us in jail. Means our natural habitat will not be there. Morning we are getting up, okay, then we are going to school. In jail it is not like that. So it's a jail for the wild animals when they are being taken to the zoo. So of these wildlife sanctuaries, Muthodi, Bandipur, Nagarhole, Dandeli, Bhadra, etc. are significant. Okay, these are very prominent. Out of these 18, these are very much famous in Karnataka. Karnataka has 4 bird sanctuaries. There are 4 bird sanctuaries where the protection is being given to the birds. Okay, and they are very good, means during this winter several birds from outside the country, they come to our country, because our country in winter it is also cold, but the countries which are too cold, where it is difficult to survive, from that place the birds will come to other countries and they prefer India, because India is having a tropical type of climate, means not that much of winter in India. Okay, Karnataka has 4 bird sanctuaries, namely Ranganatittu, Kokarebellur, okay, Mandakadde and Gudavi bird sanctuaries. These are the 4 main bird sanctuaries in Karnataka. So Karnataka is having tiger project, then 5 tiger projects are there, okay, 18 wildlife sanctuaries are there, okay, 5 national parks are there, 4 bird sanctuaries. We have not discussed about the tiger project. Okay, there are 5 tiger project, 5 national park and 5 tiger project. There are 5 tiger project in Karnataka. What are those? Bandipur, okay, Bhadra, Nagarhole, Dandeli, Ansi and Biligiri Rangana Betta. Okay, these are the name of the 5 tiger project. Okay, these are the 5 tiger project of Karnataka. Okay, tigers are very less in number nowadays in India, so it is very much essential to conserve them or to give protection for them. Okay, some notes I will tell you. This will help you to get more knowledge about the wildlife sanctuaries. They are nearly 25% of the animal population and 10% of the tiger population in the entire country are found in Karnataka. In Karnataka, 25% of the total animal population of the country and 10% of the tigers are found in this state. Next is the first national park in the world It is Yellowstone in USA and it was established in the year 1872. Now the first national park in India, okay, that was in the world. It was established in 1872 in the year, and it is Yellowstone in USA. In India, in the year 1936, Jim Corbett National Park, it's in Uttarakhand. It's a state out of 29 states of India and it's in Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett National Park. Now we have told, other than this one you can understand what is wildlife sanctuaries. I have told you tiger project, then national park and bird sanctuaries. One more thing is there, that is the biosphere reserve. What is this biosphere reserve? It refers to a specific category of protected area. It's a protected area of land or coastal environment. The main objective of this are conservation, research, education and local environment. Okay, so this is the biosphere. Now the biosphere reserve was launched by the UNESCO. Yesterday only we have told, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It's a world organization, and this UNESCO has first introduced or established or launched the Biosphere Reserve in the year 1971, and in India first biosphere came into existence in 1986. So Biosphere Reserve first came into existence in the world in the year 1971, and in India it came in the year 1986. And which is the place it came first in India? It is in Nilgiri Hill. It is also in South India. Nilgiri Hill is the place where the Eastern Ghat meets with Western Ghat. Okay, in India there are total 18 biosphere reserve. Like we are having 18 wildlife sanctuaries, we are having 18 biosphere reserve, Okay, we are having 5 tiger project, we are having 5 national park, we are having 4 bird sanctuaries. So 18, 18, 5, 5, 4. It is very easy to memorize or remember this thing. Okay, this can be asked in your final exam, that how many tiger projects are there and you should name it. Tiger project is very much important. Several times this question came in your exam. Okay, out of 18 wildlife sanctuaries you should know about 3, because in the question they may ask, don't go for 18. Okay, because you have to go for 3. The question may come, write the name of 2 or 3 wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka. But in a 5 marks question, I have seen several times that they are told how many tiger projects are there in Karnataka and name them. Okay, once you tell 5 and if you can name also, okay, you can get the number. Okay, and 4 bird sanctuaries. How many bird sanctuaries are there? For 1 number question, I have seen it is there that name 1 bird sanctuary of Karnataka. In the next class, we will go with the historical places, pilgrimage places, and forts and others. Thank you.